Today I want to share with you a video, recent fishing trip I just took. One of my favorite little East Texas lakes. It started out to be a bass fishing trip and turned into a crappie trip. After trying for bass for about an hour or so and not getting a bite, I decided it was time to do something different. The water temperature is still about 51 degrees here in East Texas. It's the last day of January, and the bass just really haven't started to do it yet. Some big ones being caught, but not a whole lot. So anyway, long story short, I decided I'd try to maybe find a crappie. So went out to a little deeper water and was able to locate a huge school of crappie. A couple of pieces of equipment I want to mention that I have. One is this Minn Kota Ultrex trolling motor. Couldn't do without it. It's like, you know, it's got the spot lock feature, and it's just like dropping an anchor when you find the spot that you need to be. The other piece of equipment that I recently acquired is this Garmin. This is a 93 SV Echo Plus chart recorder with the Panoptix transducer on the trolling motor. This thing is absolutely amazing. I was able to see the fish, see the school of crappie. I was able to see my jig go down in it, see the fish bite it, and see the fish come out of the school that I was actually catching. Kind of an expensive toy. You don't need it to crappie fish necessarily, but it sure makes it a lot of fun. The little rig I was using today is just this is a little 6.5 foot ultralight rod, little cheap spinning reel with fluorocarbon 8-pound test line, and a little crappie jig. Today it was just a matter of throwing it out there and letting it go to the bottom and setting the hook, as you'll see in the video. So it was a lot of fun. Hope you enjoy the video, and maybe I'll see you out there fishing one day. Big old crappies.
As you can see here, it was pretty fast and furious there for a while. Matter of fact, they bit like this until I got ready to go home. This is a screenshot of one of the crappie that I caught. This fish is probably 2 to 2.5 pound crappie. This is pretty much the average size for the day I was there, and the second day that I show in the video. This next little shot is actual screenshot of my depth finder with the Panoptics in play. You'll see right under the 14.2 this school of crappie that I was actually fishing. It's like watching a video of the fish on the bottom. It's an absolutely amazing piece of equipment.
Alright, I'm back crappie fishing again. It's absolutely unbelievable this morning. I'm catching some big fish and lots of them, and just throw it out there and let it go to the bottom is about all there is to it. Let's see if I can catch one here for you. When I turn the camera on, I won't be able to get a bite. I'm telling you, every cast is an absolute giant. Don't know that I'm gonna be able to land this one. size of that crappie. Using this little baby shad looking bait today. I don't know why, I just look. That'll get him. Every time you get in that spot out there, of course I can see them on my fan optics. Thousands of them down there. Oop, that one came loose. Thank you. It never gets to the bottom before on there. Shame to throw these big suckers back. You have to do when you get to 25. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video today. We had a great 2 days of fishing for crappie here in East Texas. It's some of the finest fishing around this time of year for crappie. And as you can see, I got meat for the freezer and a lot of work to do. So hope you enjoyed it, and see you back here soon.